First of all, I give glory and thanks to our Almighty God for this beautiful day that has set aside for us. NPF, Manipur State Unit, aduga Central Office ki mahud oina. Ihan ngasi special guest, Honorable Chief Minister Lakadaubo Mahutta Lakpiriba, Dr. S. Ranjan, Honorable Minister Helen DIPR, Honorable Chief Minister Lakadaubani program to Sokwe Hapkibni Mahaksuyam Lakning Bini Adubo Tabak Atopa Tedopia Daba Tadopia Daba Dugumalay Hibigitamakta Mag Lakhidre Habase a Honorable Chief Minister Gi Muhudo in Associate Miam the Kanghan Zabani Dr. U. Divan, Honorable MLA and Chairman of Pollution Control Board Wabagai AC Mahapusu Akoi Party Traptagi Welcome Tauzari P. Brozen, Honorable MLA Wangzing Tengtha Honorable Member Busu Party Traptagi Taramna Okchari Welcome Tauzari Dr. Radesem, Honorable MLA from Yanglam Mahapusu Welcome Tauzari Sri Aisabuddin, Honorable MLA and Chairman of Tourist Development from Ziri AC, Mahapusu Welcome Tauzari Sri Jang Hemlung Panmei, MLA from Tamenglong, I welcome him. Madam SS Olis, Honorable MLA from Chandel, I warmly welcome her. Sri Komosa, Honorable MLA from Karong, Mahapusu Welcome Tauzari. Hoi BJP ki leader, BJP State Pradesh ki muhut, President ki muhut oinang asi, akoi sigi program da yaubiri ba, Tamosarat, GS Administration, Manipur, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Taho Pingsan, BJP ki leader, aduga Fungyar ki candidate Oibiramba, Mahapusu Welcome Tauzari, Samotai Saiza, BJP candidate from Okrul, I welcome you. Jonathan Tao, BJP leader and ex-candidate from Karong, I welcome him. I welcome all the state office bearers of BJP Manipur Pradesh, district presidents, mandal presidents, local bodies ki representatives, BJP ki file and rank punamag puso welcome Tauzari. Atukuloy na ako'y po officially support to bidro ako'y alliance o ibiri align partners o riba NPP ki leader punamag puso welcome Tauzari. I warmly welcome UNC President and his colleagues and former UNC presidents who are here in our midst today. I welcome all the student organization and other organizations who are present here today. I welcome all the chairmen, church leaders, and publics who are gathered here this morning. Mayam punamag po ay welcome to pagaloy na ay kaya gumawa hikra pati terap to su ay tambiningi. I would like to express my gratitude to the central leaders of BJP, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, National President JP Nadda ji, and Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, and our Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, Mohoina Hoi NPF ki nominee candidate oina khoina khanba dubu support to bidamakta party taraptaki akhoi yam haroba nungai ba phongdok ningi adu loinana I would like to also express my gratitude to the National President of NPP, Mr. Conrad, who is also the present Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and all the file and rank of the NPP for the support that the party has been giving us. UNC, all the civil societies, public leaders, yang punamak tusu ay party ki taraf taki ay gratefulness phongdok ningi for giving support to our party official candidate. Akhoi NPF Manipur da 2011 da launch toba numit gi hauna akhoi leiriba state asida adu loinana entire northeast da peace program na ba akhoi gi tarap tagi sukanda suruk yaw pag loinana sumaina hotna ga lakpani handak akhoi na changsing leba election 18 Lok Sabha election dasu akhoi gi maru yaba pandam maru oiba agenda di peace and progress haibisini akhoi na peace haibisi gramaina peace lakani haibigi akhoi gi concept di mi khuding mak mama ki rights lay nai mama ki hak lay respect pinaraga ikai khumnaraga nungsiba purakpa aduba khoina peace haina khoi lawi akhoi NPF na Manipur da hek haubadagi numitagi we reach out to everyone, we talk to everyone and try to bring understanding among all the communities in the state. At the same time, we also try our best and will continue to do our best to bring development in the state. Our candidate, Mr. Kachui Timothy Jimik, Mahakpo, Mayamna Nung Sibiduna, Board Pibire Haraga, Kahalaga, Akoi Miam Gyapamba, Tabak Tobinanaba, Miam Gyapamba, Mayamna Tauhaning Badu, Akoi Party Traptagisu, Akoi MP candidate, Kahalaga, Akoi Loinana, Akoi NDA Makhadaleba. Mayam ge advice laure haraga peace purang nanaba akhoi honna kini habse khoi thamjaningi akhoi MPF ki ticket mi mari ne nirami akhoi loina bodi piba ngamdabrina mi amakhak po khoi khan bani candidate amakhak oigadobnina adubo I would like to give my special thanks and gratitude to our present MP, who is from our party. Mahapusu miyamna elect tobiduna ma MP oiri, mahak po handaki ticket PB drapsu, mahagna party bu respect people loina na public miyam bu respect people oina miyam bu cooperation biduna lairi, adu kitamaktay स्पेशल होना की सिटिंग MP को थागत पर फोंदोक चनिंग बनी कना गुमना है NPF का BJP NPP पुलगा मणिपुर दा क्रिया फाबा पूरा खरगे है ना याम कान हाई तो न ले 2017 अखोई BJP led government हेक हाउबगी मतुंगदा मणिपुर दा हाना लेरबम फिबम नुंदांग दा चथोकपा ngamdaba adugumba phibam leiramba mafam mamadagi mafam mamada chatpada akibana thanduna leiramba adum punamak mangkhibani adugo loinana district khuding da akhoi development chahi gi plan tore harga pura aga lai aina hena haibusu natte but mamang dadi development program purak pani haire harga project se suloi loi banai daba yam le aina toina pankhiba Tamenglong Infal Jiri National Highway Hauzikna Highway number 37 asida Turen Major River ahumle Barak River Makru River and Irang River. Akoy sarkar hek haubada Irang River ga Makru River se jatra hun bakanda. Mayam na marum sole. Asi gomba thong di chahi tara manga da susuloi loiba nairoi da thong ni da haina. Adubo within 3 years thong ani makse complete torga inaugurate tawkhibani. Within the spirited time, world-class bridge. Hauzikti Prathibida Phare Haiba Marakta Yauba Yabadugumba bridge se Sabaloiraga inaugurate Tora Hauzikti Pazana Chale. Irang bridge su Yamkana Sari Project Pai Khalaga Loidaba Achobo project have Sekogi Matam the Late NDA government Karitawi Mam hangi public the reach out to wabsi NDA government ki makhada tawki bugumna mamangai da tawramde farmer singbu masa ki account da paisa changhanba ana yek nang khiba adobo lairabagi maramna hospital chatpa ngamdaba singbu PM ki makhada piba scheme aduga Chief Minister ki haksengi tengbang state oina parati state sigumba scheme pi basi Manipur state na ahanba oikini hojikti hospital chalaga lai yengba ngamdaba makhai su asigi scheme makhada hospital afa da chalaga lai yengba ngamduna kana gumbadi lai kanba ngamdaba dugum stage lekhibagi ngamdrasu ayambadi asigi scheme makhada lai life kan khiba kya mrum sa khoi thengna khrabane kana gumna media da viral chatuna le akhoi BJP led government gi makhada awaba sing bakri yang khiba le chengchak word bakri pi khiba le haina akhoi gi mangda le ramba palamba congress government matamda cheng free phangkhiba leibro covid matam dagi hauna ngasi fawba free napsara spiri relief piri nungai to thodok 1992-93 thokiba tu ki thodok sida precious life kyamrum mangki misunderstanding ama thokibagi adugi matamda government na peace purakna kram by effort piki the class continue for 8 years NPF minister ani lay MLA su lay handaki irang sida moi kri tawkhige hain hange akhoi chalami unai tension yam wangbagi maramna khudakta akhoi hauzik leiriba arang se niam thabang ngamdarbasu akhoi we reach out to everyone and try to bring understanding among all communities. But at that time, when there was a serious clash between two communities, what have they done? Have they ever provided relief to the affected families? Have they given ex gracias? Nothing. They have not done anything. And today they are shouting at the top of their voice, condemning our government. Akhoi people's government amawaina. Akhoi na mayam na thunghanding ba thungdaba kya marumdi leiram gani. But we tried our best to bring peace, prosperity, love, understanding among all communities in the state. With this agenda, we are also, this time also we are entering the Lok Sabha election. In the person of our candidate, Timothy Jimmick, Mayambo A appeal tabula na Mayambo A Krumi. Ako'y shortcoming kiyamro as a human being laizaba tarabusu mayam na nungsiduna. Ako'y candidate po nungsibiduna board happy raga. Ako'y mahud oy na MP parliament na thanaba mayam nungsibiyu habisay thamzarga asiday tensil lagi. Thank you.